Let us now practice numericals based on the reactions which are involving equilibrium. One of the examples which I have written here is, the question is that the concentration at equilibrium for hydrogen, iodine and HI in the reaction which is given here is 8, 3 and 28 moles per liter respectively. Find the equilibrium constant for the reaction. The reaction is that when hydrogen gas is reacted with iodine gas, it forms HI, which is also as a gas. Now the Kc for this reaction, first we will write down the expression, will be the product's concentration, which is HI, and the square of this, because this is what is the coefficient 2 written before this, upon the product of concentration of the reactants, which is hydrogen and iodine. Since we are writing down Kc, we know that we will be taking the concentrations of all these three substances which are present or which will be present during the state of equilibrium in the reaction. Now in this case, the HI concentration at equilibrium is given to us as 28 molar. So we will put it as 28.0 molar square of this. It is already, since it is in moles per liter in molar concentration, there is no need to change it. Hydrogen is how much? Is 8 molar, and since the coefficient is only 1, we will leave it like this. And iodine is 3 molar, so this is 3 molar. So when we solve this, we get 32.66. So therefore, the value of equilibrium constant for this reaction comes out to be 32.66.